Now, what was a Tech Talker's first custom PC? Right here. It's this one. This was a PC I used since 2019 all the way to 2023. This is powered by a Ryzen 7 2700X, a GTX 1060 with a 3GB of VRAM, 16GB of DDR4 RAM, and all of this inside a cheap Amazon case. So cheap that I had to actually play most of my games with the side panels off. And I accidentally kicked the CPU cooler, the one that came stock with the Ryzen 7 2700X, so it broke. Now, it's not a good computer by any means, even at that time, but I used it a lot. It worked really well. It worked. But what do you think? Is it better than your first PC?